The Bombardier Beetle is nature's own living chemical weapon, capable of creating explosive reactions reaching temperatures of 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside its abdomen, the beetle stores two separate chemicals, hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinones, kept apart in specialized chambers. When threatened, the beetle mixes these chemicals with special enzymes, triggering a violent reaction that creates a boiling, caustic spray. This scalding chemical spray shoots out from the beetle's abdomen like a miniature explosion, effectively deterring would-be predators. The beetle can aim its chemical spray with remarkable precision using a flexible abdominal tip, targeting predators in nearly any direction. Thanks to this extraordinary defense mechanism, the Bombardier Beetle can safely navigate its environment with few natural enemies willing to risk an explosive encounter.